Okay guys, I'm back on. I went and grabbed out some of my tags that I had pre-cut and also found another couple of little things that I might like to use. So with some of the tags I'm going to actually leave those plain so the recipient can decorate them themselves. So, but I just thought that I might like to just put a little, like a little tab or something on them, or just some kind of little bit of fibre or something. So I'm going to leave that one there because I'm going to staple that one too. I just hope I can get my stapler to work properly, because sometimes it's a little bit, what? It's got a mind of its own sometimes. Okay, so I've got two tags in that one there, in the front little pocket, and that's got that there, it doesn't need any, and I put a tag here and might just put just a little bit of this on there. So fold that up that way and staple that on. Okay, that's okay. So I'll leave that one blank. And this one here, I didn't know whether to put like a round one in that one. Maybe I will, but I might decorate this one. I've got a couple of these circle ones here. See, that looks nice, doesn't it? Okay, so I'm going to glue that one on there. Just go around the edge of this first. And that's going to sit in there. And I don't think I'll need a little tie on that because it's pretty wide, but it's not wide enough so that you're not going to see it there, but when you open to that page you will. And another circle one, I think. So I've got another, got to deck the whole halls, which, okay, I might, with this one, I might just stitch around the outsides. Yeah, I will. I'll just give that a go around the outsides on my sewing machine. Alright, so that wasn't exactly the best sewing, because you do have to go slow when you're doing a circle, and I kind of like went a bit faster, but that's okay. So that one's going to go up there. Now this one here, I'll just grab a bit of this and put on there. So I'll put that one through there. And hold that and staple it. I did have a small stapler somewhere, but I just can't find it. I just shouldn't tidy up sometimes, I don't think. And I've got that page, and that one's pretty cool. I was thinking that I might just grab my script stamp and just put a little bit of script stamp on there, because that is a little bit plain, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so it goes up that way. So I'm just going to put a little bit of stamping on here. Doesn't really need a lot, but just some. Yeah, okay, see, I like that better already. So there's that page, and this one here, I made this tag. You can write on the back, and it's just got that sparkle and shine up there. So that just slips in there, and the pocket is big, so that's why I put that little piece on the front so it wouldn't slip all the way down. Now I haven't done that page, and I haven't done these pages. So what I'm thinking, I might just put another piece of copy dyed paper on there. As soon as I find it. Okay, so I don't want a lot covering it. It will come down a bit more though. Okay, so got that on there. Go around the edges. So I have the majority of it already decorated, and I'm just thinking it's just like the little last bits and pieces that just need to be done. And okay, I'll put that on first, and I did get myself another glue out, which I needed. So that can go just about there. So there's another spot for journaling, or to add a photo. And this one, what do I want to do with that one? I don't know what I want to do. I want to put something here because the paper's thinner than the Hinge, and it just helps it. See, I've got that full sheet that side, but thinking just something here. Okay, so let me just do that. That looks okay. I like that. And just thinking I should have used that stronger glue, but that's okay. We'll just see how this goes. Okay, so that can go down there. That's straight. No. There. So we've got that. And not sure how much you're going to see of this, but I will do around the edges just in case. And a bit of script, and that. I don't think I've got much of that left, that one, so yep, that'll do. Righto, we'll go around the edge. Pardon me. can go right there. Nice bee Mary. Alright, so we've got that one, then that one. They could use that for a photo or journal on, make a mat. Now we've got this one, and I do want to put something, just something here. Something. No, I might put a saying over here, maybe. Believe in the magic of Christmas. I do like that saying, but might put that up there. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Don't stick to my fingers. And I put the glue on that. Bit of glue. Right, believe in the magic of Christmas. So we got that up there, and I still want something down here, don't I? You know, I don't know. Now I can't make up my mind. I hate doing that. But I am going to put this little one down the bottom there, the Christmas delivery one. So he can just pop down there, and maybe there's just a bit too much there. You know, with this one, I think I might just put that there, just to give it just something. I don't know what, but just something. Okay, so we'll just centre that up a bit and just put that there. Because then, like, if you put a photo or something else there, you've just got a little bit of added decoration there. Okay, and then there's that one. Now, these middle pages, not too sure about. I really love these pages. So this has got to have like a tag or something in them. There's the big ones. It's got a tag, maybe a circle one in there with it. Don't know. Okay. Alright, so let's... Have I got any more of that paper left? Let me have a look. And you know what? I just seen this paper here. Maybe just put that right up the centre of it. Yeah, why not? Okay, I'm going to do that. So place that in the centre. There we go. Cut around that. Wasn't quite centred, but that's okay. And I only realised that because one side's smaller to cut up there. But that looks alright, doesn't it? Yep, I like it. I was going to say maybe that one on there, because they're going to both go in there, but no. No. that'll do, that's fine. So there's a tag for there, and I don't know, maybe just, I've got this one here too, I'll leave that out. Okay, we'll just leave that there for the time being. And then I've got a couple of tags here. So where's that other ribbon, lace there. So put a bit of this on. I'll cut that in half, a bit wide. Okay, so I'm not going to decorate those ones. And then I've got put a couple of tags here. Which I think I might just use one tag there. Will that one go through there? Not sure about the rickrack going through that small hole. Let's try. Oh, yep, good one, Wendy. See, if you don't try, you just never know, do you? And I can staple that together. There, that got stapled together. So I'm not going to decorate that one, but I might put this one here instead of that other one. This is just another Christmas tag that I had left over from last year. So I might just put that one there. And now we've got these ones here. Put the glue on that before it goes yuck. What have I got? Those two, and then I've put two in there as well. Okay, so I need to go out and have a little drink and I shall be back. I actually found a few more little things that were from last year, and I found all these vintage little tags. How cool was that? That I forgot that I had made up from last year. Okay, but I also grabbed out, I really like this paper, and I'm going to make a tag or cover a tag in this paper. So I'll just turn that over there and put some glue on this side here. This was from a card making magazine, Card Making and Paper Craft, and I pulled that out because I just really liked it. So it was good that I found that, and I'm just going to use that to cover this or one of these tags with. Just put that down there. So I'll just put this up here. Maybe I should do the other one the same. Yeah, I think I might just do those two centre ones for the pocket, the envelope pocket that I made or put in there. So the person could still write on the back of this card. If they didn't like the craft colour, they could always put another piece of paper over it. But yeah, there's a couple of tags now. So I'll bring this back here. And I don't think I want the tartan on there, but I will put just a couple of little ties That'll do. Okay, so there's one tag. I'll go around the outsides. No, I don't think I want to put anything on those tags. I'll just leave those ones plain like that. But they're in their little pockets now. And am I done? These ones here need, you know what, I'm going to use one of those brads and just put these two tags together. I'll get one of those out. Lid for my glue back on, and just ink around these. Could still put like a little bit of that on with the brad through it, couldn't I? That's a good idea. Let's do that. Just add a little pop of colour on here. Push it through that ribbon, that's what I want to know. Yep, I did. There we go. No, I wanted it to go the other way. By the time I finish cutting this off, I won't have any left. Right. Okay, that'll do. Okay, so there's just two tags together in that back page there. And I think I'm done. Am I done? Okay, so just before I say I'm done, I think I might just quickly go through it. So that's the front, and we've got this page with a couple of tags, that one, that's got a little booklet up there. This one here, it's got just a plain little tag in it. Then this one, I really like this page, this is lovely. It's got the round circle tag and the little booklet. And we've got that one, and then that little tag up there, and this tag here. Maybe I should put a couple of more little tags in. I'll need a little thing for it, won't I? A little tie. Let's put this one through there. I will eventually finish this. Okay, let's just and a staple. Yeah, so got a couple of little tags in that one. And then that page, I like this page too. It's not much on it, and it's a little bit brighter, but oh, you can't see it through here, but it's got like a faint green, what's it called? Oh, just like a green patchy thing through it. And then we've got this tag there in that one, and that's just decoration. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Now, I haven't done anything there, but I think I'm going to leave those because I'll put in a few other extra little tags or things so that they might like to decorate it for themselves. And then I've got this tag there, and then these two tags just there. And I love that paper from Andrea. Thank you, Andrea. What's that there? It's a bit of glue. And then I put these 2 tags just in there. And then the envelope with those 2 tags and the images. Deck the halls. And that one there with the 2 tags. Oh, that's it. That's it, guys. I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed coming along on this little journey with me. And I really hope I've got a swap partner, because I'm not sure what the other ones are doing, whether they're vintage or just normal or what have you, but that's it. Love it. My no sew, well, I actually did sew on the tags, but that's okay. I'm not worrying about that. No sew easy Hinge journal, and that's the back, the front and the back. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed, and I shall catch you all later. You all have a great day. Bye bye.